Dear students, get ready for a new session and focus on this little conversation. Neha, Tina, and Sagar gathered at the lunch table. I bought roti with mixed vegetables and a boiled egg. What did you guys get? I've got chips, cake, and some noodles. I eat these very often. I have rice with pickle and ghee. I don't like fruits or vegetables much. You know, my grandmother says these kinds of foods are not very healthy. Eating foods like fruits, vegetables, and sprouts keep us strong and energetic. Tina and Sagar said our grandparents also say the same. So children, what kinds of food do you like most? Are they healthy? Let's learn more about food varieties and their importance in the lesson Food from your Class 5 Environmental Science. Our health depends on the types of food we eat. Every day, we need to eat food that helps us grow, gives us energy, keeps us healthy, and strengthens our immunity against diseases. Therefore, our food should contain carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins. Learning outcomes. After studying this topic, you will be able to understand energy-giving foods, explore foods that help in growth, learn about foods that keep us healthy, recognize the importance of food. Keywords: nutritious food, carbohydrates or starch, proteins, junk food, healthy food, immunity. Let's see the concept map. Sources of food. We eat different kinds of food, but have you ever wondered where our food comes from? Most of the food we eat comes from two main sources like plants and animals. We get grains like rice and wheat, pulses, fruits, vegetables, sugar, spices, and oils from plants. We get milk, eggs, meat, and honey from animals. These plant and animal-based foods are very important for us. Energy-giving foods. In the topic of types of farming and crops, you've learned about various food crops grown across different states of India. India is the second largest producer of rice, wheat, and other cereals. A wide range of millets like jowar, sorghum, bajra, pearl millet, foxtail millet, ragi, finger millet, kodo millet, and barnyard millet are also grown in India. All these cereals and millets are rich in starch, a type of carbohydrate that gives us energy. When we eat energy-giving foods like rice, roti, or millet porridge, the starch in these foods is used as fuel to help us walk, run, work, and play. Foods like potato, sugar, jaggery, sweet potato, and some varieties of fruits also contain nutrients that give us energy. Butter, ghee, and oils contain more amount of fat. Fats also give us energy, but excess fats are stored in our bodies. The stored fats give us extra energy when needed by the body. Foods that help in growth: Bengal gram, green gram, black gram, beans, and peas are called pulses. These, along with milk, eggs, and meat, help in our physical growth. Our body keeps repairing and building itself. For example, when we get a cut or a wound, some cells die and are replaced by new cells. To make these new cells and heal the wound, our body needs special nutrients called proteins. Pulses, dals, are a rich source of protein and also contain small amounts of starch, vitamins, and minerals. Foods like fish, eggs, meat, and milk provide even more protein. In particular, milk contains calcium, important for the growth and strength of our bones. Therefore, we should include pulses, milk, and eggs regularly in our food, which help us grow well. Food that keeps us healthy. We need vitamins and minerals in small quantities to help our body stay healthy and strong. Vitamins help our body digest and use carbohydrates and proteins in the right way. Mineral salts like iodine, phosphorus, calcium, and iron combine with proteins and become part of our organs and tissues. Iron is found in our blood and carries oxygen. Calcium and phosphorus are found in our bones and teeth, making them strong. Vitamins are present in sprouted seeds and in fermented foods like idli and dosa, and also found in large amounts in fruits and vegetables. Vitamins and minerals help us build resistance or the ability to fight against diseases and stay fit. Importance of food. Eating too little or too much food is not good for our health. If we do not eat the right kind of food, we may become weak and fall sick. This can affect our daily activities like studying, playing, and even growing properly. We should eat seasonal fruits and vegetables along with all the necessary nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and minerals in the right amounts, and it is called a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet every day helps us stay strong, grow well, and fight diseases. Hope you've understood the food variety and its importance. Points to remember. Food gives us energy, helps us grow, and keeps us healthy. We should eat a mix of rice, pulses, vegetables, fruits, and eggs. Not too much, not too little. Proteins help in growth and repair, while vitamins and minerals protect us from diseases. Energy-giving foods like rice, wheat, and millets provide fuel for all our daily activities. A balanced diet contains all nutrients in the right amounts and helps us stay strong and active. Thank you for watching.